So let's look at how we can use some settings inside an app. Now I've got the EMP department grade app working here, which already has some microflows in it. So I'm just going to run it so we can see where we are. We've got our three entities, our three databases, and specifically inside employees, we have the ability to run two microflows. So the first one we've got is this one which goes show department, and that runs a microflow to show a page. It's a little bit more complicated than that, because what it's actually going to do is it's going to show the actual department page for the department this person is in. So if I tap on that, it shows us department 2. If we go into the other person, they're in department 1, and I can tap on show department and it shows department 1. So that was the first microflow that we wrote. Now the other microflow that we wrote basically allows us to give someone a pay rise. And so if I tap on there, it adds £500 onto their salary. And we wrote this in such a way that there comes a point where it will provide a kind of cap on what pay rises are allowed this year. So let's imagine that we want to change this app. Let's say that we want to actually have the ability to have a kind of global setting that will allow pay rises to occur or not. So that would be something that would naturally fit into a kind of settings, sort of like allow changes to pay. We could do that. And the second thing that we could do would be something like what the percentage pay rise will actually be, and we could embed that inside a settings page somewhere. So that's what we'll do. So a series of steps. We'll start off by putting the setting infrastructure in place. We'll create the domain, we'll create the microflows, we'll add some way for us to actually access the settings. That's the first bit. Then the second bit, we'll actually integrate those settings into our existing microflows so we can see how they work.